Boom. All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey, we got a quick ad hoc video with my good friend, Mr. Greg Sargent. Greg, how you doing today, man?
Good. How you been, Andy? Thanks for having me on here for a few minutes. This will be great.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for coming on. You've got a new class that you want to put on at Aramco. Why don't you tell us about this class that you've been doing and what has changed for this new online format?
Yeah, everybody, of course, knows with the whole marketing and advertising and going to classes and education is just not what it used to be right now. So Ramsco and I put together this 4-hour How to Build a Better Restoration Business course. This is a course that I was flying all over the country for the last 2.5 years in different states for Ramsco, teaching them to their clients across the country. And now I'm actually going to have a Zoom meeting, Zoom call. We'll be at an Ramsco here in Salt Lake City, but everybody's going to be able to access it from their office or from their house. And the best thing about it is you're going to get 4 CE credits for the IICRC. So if you
Perfect.
or any of your staff members need credits, it also is included with that.
Do you know if the IICRC credits transfer to RIA credits? Do they have that figured out yet?
You know, I know my courses are all approved with the IICRC. I don't know what the RIA and all that works. I apologize.
Okay, so just so y'all know, right here is the first URL is to Greg's online strategic academy. The second URL is for this specific class for Aramco. So right there, and he's also got it, looks like on his board right there. Tell me how this course has changed. You've been given it 2 years. How has it changed, and what is different now than when you started?
You know who this class is really for is kind of runs into 3 people. Those who are already running a restoration business that maybe they want to increase their profits by 5, 10, 15, 20%, struggling, still owning a business but not really being profitable. There's a lot of general contractors and a lot of people are getting into the business. They just don't know the process and the system of how to set up a business, so they contact me a lot. And then we also just have people who are completely new to home services, want a new business of their own, and they're just completely from scratch. So kind of like you with your niche of estimating and all that, they just don't know how to work through that period. So we go through marketing, we go through call conversion, we go through how to document, how to get your equipment approved by the insurance companies and paid to make it more profitable.
You cover all that in 4 hours.
Well, I do have a 2 and a 3-day boot camp as well. So it's the condensed version for this process. But what I found that after the last 2 years is I'm taking clients like last year. I'll give you an example. This was a client who'd been in business 30 years. We quadrupled their net profits the last 6 months versus the first 6 months of 2019.
Wow.
That's just one example. I've had other clients that were just beginners.
Lost your audio there. Try again.
Audio's gone.
There you go. There you go. We got you.
Okay. So I've got clients that we've quadrupled their net profits that have been in business a long time. I've got clients that were struggling in the $20,000 to $30,000 a month range of revenue, and now we're at 50, 60, 70,000 through marketing strategies. Or it might just be the turnover with technicians is just terrible.
Yep.
I had multiple calls just today about how do I keep my technicians from just skipping over to the next company who's paying them the most. So yes, it has changed, it has evolved, but it's more geared to, specifically like you at estimating, you have specific things that work if you just do them enough times.
Perfect. Well, we're going to put together a little coupon for the folks on the Restoration Rebel page on Facebook, right?
Yeah, so what we've got is we got the 4-hour class through Aramco. That runs through Aramco. That's completely their link. It's $100. It's 4 hours. You're gonna love it. Or I also do have over 100 lectures, videos online through gregsargent.com.
Right here somewhere.
Right here. And then we will have our coupon for restoration or for Rebels and all that.
Perfect. And here's some really great reviews from your website I put up there. Hundreds of 5-star
reviews. We try to get them every month. So thank you, Andy, so much. Is there anything else you wanted me to mention? But anybody, you can even call me for a free consultation. My cell phone, 720-277-7111.
Write that up there. Write that up there. And all y'all, if you haven't seen Greg in action, you've missed out. So don't miss this opportunity to get some really good advice and education from one of the best guys that I've known in the industry. So, and he didn't pay me to say this, so it's
Not
valid.
yet.
It's
It's coming later,
not
right?
yet. Right. The check is in the mail. So, all right, Greg,
Guys,
thanks for
appreciate
coming on.
you. Look forward to helping you.
Yeah, let this be a lesson to you. You don't call me and ask me to do something unless you want to be on video. So you're there.
I had to get ready quick.
You did. All right. Have a great day.
See you,
We'll see
Andy.
y'all.